Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Google Earth is ready. Open the desktop app or the web version and sign in if needed. You want the KMZ file accessible locally or in Google Drive because Google Earth reads files directly. Once done, choose File Open on desktop or click the hamburger menu, then projects Open on web. This first move loads the KMZ. It's the critical handshake between your file and the map, so do it before trying to view layers. You'll see Google Earth parse the KMZ. Wait until placemarks and folders appear in the sidebar. Make sure to expand the imported project or My Places to reveal icons, polylines, and overlays. Click each placemark to open its pop-up. This reveals descriptions, images, or links embedded in the KMZ. If you need precise positioning, use the ruler tool to measure distances. If visuals seem off, toggle the overlay opacity. Finish by organizing and saving. Toggle layer visibility and adjust icons, colors, or overlay opacity so the map communicates clearly. You can save edits as a new KMZ or export to Google Drive to share. Make sure to name it logically. If the KMZ refuses to load, check that permissions let Google Earth access the file, verify it isn't corrupted, and try extracting a KML from the KMZ to test contents. If that fails, re-export from the source application and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.